What significant role will industrial robots play in the future of smart manufacturing? Will them always be enormous in size and could be dangerous? How about reducing them 10 times smaller so you are in touch with the enhancing future of manufacturing? Mirobot is a 6-axis mini-industrial robotic arm. Equipped with 6 stepper motors, Mirobot can tilt, turn, and access more space than the 3 or 4-axis robotic arms. Using trajectory planning algorithm, Mirobot can follow paths and orientations specified by your program. Though much smaller than typical industrial robots, Mirobot maintains high precision with a repeatability of 0.2 mm. It moves fast and smooth, and is also stable and reliable, with much less trembling as compared to an RC servo robot arm. The makers are most excited about Mirobot because it is open-sourced. Everyone can make Mirobot even better. Unlike running an industrial robot that requires complex operational skills, Mirobot is very easy to use. You can choose from 3 controlling methods. By simply connecting to a power source and linking to a controlling device, you can play Mirobot in just 1 minute. The Mirobot controller is similar to an industrial robot pendant that provides 3 control modes: the joint control mode, coordinate control mode, and teaching mode. The teaching mode is available in both controller and PC software. It allows you to record and replay complex motions. Using a PC, you can further adjust the motion parameters to achieve more complex tasks. How do you program the Mirobot? You can use Blockly, G-code, and Python in the software. Or programming API by using C, C++, and Java. Try the drawing mode available in the PC software. Demonstrate anything you want Mirobot to draw, and it will immediately draw it for you. There are multiple handling tools and drawing tools for installation, such as gripper, suction cup, universal gripper, electromagnet, pen holder, and more. Mirobot's workspace can be further expanded by combining conveyor belts, rails, or mobile cart. By adopting machine vision based on OpenMV, Mirobot can understand faces, colors, and shapes, and then perform appropriate actions. Mirobot is also versatile. It can be your artistic companion, sharing with you the joys of art creation. A fan of GoPro? Capture something cool with Mirobot, so you can experience its dexterity and stability. With all of these functions and add-ons, you can now manufacture an exciting new world. You can place Mirobot into fantasy scenes and permit it to display your great ideas. Or you can use it to create something practical, such as assemble it into a production line that manufactures little chess pieces. Safe, compact, easy to use, and precise. This is Mirobot, your first 6-axis mini-industrial robot arm.